Today I'm sharing something that I genuinely love having for my evening snack. It's a nutrient-dense, ready-to-eat snack that you can make in one batch and enjoy whenever you need something quick. And there's a lot packed into these little laddoos. Protein, fiber, healthy fat, calcium, iron, and many other important vitamins and minerals. And the best part, it's homemade, incredibly simple, and you can store it. And grab one whenever you need a quick energy boost. So let's make it. The dry ingredients that we'll be using are 2 cups of ragi flour or nachani atta or finger millet ka atta, 1.5 cups of roasted skinless chana, half a cup of pumpkin seeds, half a cup of sunflower seeds, and 1/4 cup of defatted peanut powder. For binding, I'm using 2 heaped teaspoons of ghee, 3/4 cup of jaggery, and 40 grams of frozen fresh or desiccated coconut. Now here goes the recipe. Start by roasting half a cup of pumpkin seeds and half a cup of sunflower seeds on medium to low heat. Roast until they are lightly golden and aromatic. Once done, remove them from the pan and let them cool. In a pan, add 2 cups of ragi flour and roast it patiently on low to medium heat until the raw smell disappears and the flour became aromatic. Keep stirring. Meanwhile, take 1.5 cups of roasted skinless chana and grind into a fine powder. Once the ragi is almost roasted, add the roasted chana powder and mix really well. Continue roasting for a few more minutes. Now grind roasted pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. I like keeping them slightly coarse because they give the final snack a little nutty texture. Add the seed powder to the pan, followed by 1/4 cup of defatted peanut powder. Mix everything really well and roast for another couple of minutes. Once done, keep the mixture aside. Now it's time to prepare the binding mixture. Heat a pan, add 2 heaped teaspoons of ghee followed by 3/4 cup of jaggery. Melt the jaggery well. Once it is melted, add coconut. You can use fresh, frozen, desiccated. Cook this mixture until the moisture from the coconut is completely evaporated. Now add roasted ragi, chana and seed mixture. Mix everything really well until the jaggery mixture coats the dry ingredients evenly. While the mixture is still warm, take small portions and roll them out between your palms, and that's it. I got approximately 21 to 22 small laddoos from this batch. Now let's look at the nutrition. Based on approximately 21 to 22 laddoos, 1 laddoo provides approximately 130 calories, 5 grams of protein, 3 grams of fiber, 18 grams of carbs and 5 grams of fat. It's also loaded with calcium, iron and many other vitamins and minerals. So this isn't just a sweet treat, it gives you a nice combination of plant protein, fiber, healthy fat and micronutrients. Tell you about the health benefits. Ragi adds fiber and calcium. Roasted chana and defatted peanut powder helps increase the protein content. Pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds add healthy fat, fiber and minerals. Coconut adds texture and some healthy fat. So if you're looking for a homemade snack that is nutrient dense, convenient and easy to use as a small portion, this is a very good option. But remember, jaggery is still a form of added sugar, so even with a nutrient-dense recipe, portion size always matters. So that's all for today. If you like this recipe, save it because this is one of those recipes you will be happy to have ready in your kitchen. And if you make it, let me know in the comments how many laddoos you got from your batch and what was your experience. For more simple, science-backed, nutritious Indian recipes, like, subscribe and follow. This is Dietitian Manju Malik signing off. Stay healthy, stay fit, stay active and I'll be back very soon. Until next time, you take care. Bye-bye.